Decisions, decisions, decisions. How can you make better decisions? That's what I'm going to be sharing with you today. First of all, you cannot make every decision right in life, and that's just how it is. But what you can do is you can learn from every decision. You can learn from the decisions you got right, and you can certainly learn a lot from the decisions that you have made wrong, or the wrong decisions that you have made. Your learning is at a peak when you have made wrong decisions. Think of it that way. Tip number 1. Look at your value systems. What decision best complements your values? What decision best suits your values? What decision is in line with your value systems? That is likely to be the best decision, or at least the better decision. Number 2, look at your state. Look at your emotional state. How are you feeling at the moment? Whenever you have to make a decision, whenever you have to make a tough decision, observe your thoughts, observe your emotions, observe your emotional patterns. If you're feeling angry, frustrated, annoyed, stressed, hungry, avoid making decisions. These emotions can blur our sense of judgment. The ideal state to be when you make decisions is to be in a neutral, calm, collected state. So when you start observing your thoughts, your emotions, and if your state is out, come back to a neutral, calm, collected state. That then will give you a far better judgment of the situation, much more clarity in order for you to make the right decision, or at least the better decision. Bonus tip. Sometimes the decision can be to not make a decision. You don't have to make a decision every time. And by not deciding to make a decision, that becomes your decision. Bonus tip number 2. Say you are confronted with a situation, you can either move in direction A or you can move in direction B. And you may feel cornered to either go in direction A or to go in direction B. But let me tell you, there can be a direction C. You can just throw away A and you can throw away decision B and come up with a whole new way to tackle the problem. That may well be decision C. So there you have it. 4 ways to make better decisions. Your values, what's your state, your emotional state. You can decide not to make a decision, or you can come up with an alternative to the options that you have in front of you. You can throw away decision A, you can throw away decision B, you come across with a whole new decision, that is decision C. This is Career Essentials, where we give you honest career guidance and beyond. If you found this helpful, pass this on to anyone who you think is going to benefit from it. You know you've benefited from it. Pass it on. Spread the love, share the knowledge. See you soon.